Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, me I tell us, boy, only Jah sees and he knows the people. Only Jah sees and he knows. Because this killing thing in Jamaica, my people, it not stop, It not stop. And when that thing say, yo, things are going to cool down, things are going to get better, the law what them bring in and this and that and how much time them going to give a prison and things are going to change, me rotted. It look like it just get worse, my people. So now, my viewers and subscribers, news has reached to my attention that, yesterday now on the Monday, which is December the 19th, 2022, over there in Portmore, Jamaica, a pastor was shot several times. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, what a go on. So them say sometime after 2 p.m. in the afternoon, my people, the pastor basically a drive out time yard. You understand, with him family in a car, members of him family in a car, my people. As him a go come through the gate to make a turn now and touch on the road, my people, a armed men that come up to him, forward up to him, my people, and start spray up for him side the car. You understand? Them say the spot, the basically when him get the shot, my people, him put tap on the gas pedal and he comes a boom and crash in one tree. Then the boy them who do this now, make them move and gone, my people. Family did them, nothing happened to none of them. None of them was injured or anything, my people. Them comes a boom, call police, came to hospital him. Did it for a couple hours, my people. Then sadly, pastor drop out, my people. Pastor passes away. So police are now conducting their investigation into this as a murder case. Before, them did a conduct it, my people, as a shooting. You understand? But now, murder car pastor gone. My viewers and my subscribers, basically, this was a hit, my people. They were waiting on the pastor, my people. Pastor forward and thing, my people. Right out at the time, them wanting, my people. And this is how these perpetrators carry out their act, my people, and cut down the pastor. What pastor could have done now? What pastor could have involved in now, my people? But definitely, your sister them want the pastor out. And the likes them want other members of him family, my people. The pastor was the main target, and he was the one who them get. Basically, whatever put this hit or whatever them put on this pastor, my people, they don't make their statement, they don't make their talk and say, look at the man, you see the pastor, who don't do nothing to the family member, who don't do nothing to him, only the pastor we want to get out. You understand? Because he's the one who we are him in a trouble, he's the one who we are him in a problem, but don't trouble no other members of the family member. My viewers and subscribers, we are living in a crazy world right now, and we can't trust nobody. So even though we are look on the side and we are saying, oh, so don't trouble the family, it can even be one of the fam same way. We don't know. We can't trust no one, my viewers and subscribers. And nowadays, we see how much thing people are get rid of people for money, insurance, this and that, and one heap of mix up different position in this in the organization, my people. You cannot trust nobody. And when you hear the attacking boss talk, and Mr. Trust dead long time from when Granny did tell my people, and you may think a joke. Him dead, him gone, him finished. You understand? So my viewers and my subscribers, as me telling you, the police are conducting their investigations into this, and I just, hope them can get some breakthrough and get whatever evidence them need to really get these perpetrators, because it's some serious time, my people. Serious time. If they will cut down the man who upon the altar preach every day, even though we know so we have a lot of them who is Chasta, you understand, but I never get no information if he was a pastor or a Chas, my people. All I get the information, a pastor was cut down, not a Chas, you understand? So I cannot say he was a Chasta, but we have seen different incidents before where we have Chastas who managed to put themselves in problems and trouble with other people, and we have seen what happened to them in the past. But only thing I can say for now, my viewers and subscribers, Jaja sees and he knows everything. So my people, big up on yourself and more love, more respect and more blessings. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share and every comment. So you don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. Peace out my people. Blessings. Why? You them not art. Them not care who. It could have been night, it could have been day, it could have been after dark. Them a cut you down. Jaja says, Jaja knows. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Too much, man.